morning. How's everybody doing this morning? I hope great. Go Pure Titan Lift Neck Cream. That is working, okay? Definitely working on this neck, honey. Look at that. Neck looking good. Neck looking good, honey. Y'all, I have this tool I got from TikTok Shop that I could actually use on the wrinkles, those lines on my forehead, whatever the hell they are. Anyway, you do this. You're supposed to do it every day. It like warms up. I forgot I had this. So I'm gonna add that to the routine, baby. Good morning. I said a good morning. I said a good morning. Get moisturized, baby. It's cold. I'm gonna throw on my sweater. Got on the shirt. I'll link it. Absolutely love this print, y'all. Like, he did such a good freaking job. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Ooh. I love that new song by Glover. Have y'all ever seen something packaged so good? I can't even get the shampoo and conditioner out of here, y'all. It's I'm literally cutting it, y'all. Look, I'm cutting the top part. Look at this. And it's still, oh God, I literally cannot. I can barely, y'all, they did it so thick. I can't even get this out. I guess I shouldn't complain though, right? At least the shampoo, girl, whatever. Y'all, I don't know what's going on with these birds, but they done brought me outside because they so freaking loud. What kind of bird is that? Okay. Oh, okay. They going up into their respective trees. Literally, look at this. Right in our tree. Like, what in the hell? They are out here loud, arguing and stuff. Like, what is going on? Okay, so now everybody wants to retreat. Y'all better be quiet. I'm busy. All right, y'all, rock with me, okay? I am testing this light that I got. Let me see. Okay, so I'm turning it all the way down, okay? And now I'm gonna turn it all the way up. Okay, so that brightened up everything. Yes, it did. I like it like, Hold up, let me try the warm feature. Which one y'all like better? This one or this one? I wish it like gave me the same color, like a richer color, but brighter. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me see, what is this? Hold on. Oh. Okay, so you kind of like turn it down automatically or make it bright automatically. Okay. This is cool. I love it. And you can get it too if you want to. This is on the TikTok shop, y'all. This light right here. It's on my TikTok shop showcase. So, yeah, it's just, this is very viral right now. But you'll be able to find it. Yeah, I've been using it ever since I got it. I use it for the show. I don't use it over here because I don't really need it. But, yeah, for my show, and it's been working out great. right, y'all gonna finish getting ready with me. Okay, so yeah, I've been waiting for this dress to come in, but no, it's not a dress. Like, I mean, you can wear it as a dress. I can like button these up. I kind of wanted to keep them open though, because I kind of like wanted to wear it as a shirt with these fleece line tights, y'all. These are tights that you can get the color of your like skin. These are in the color deep. Okay, I got these in a large. First I got them in a medium, right? And I kind of didn't like where they hit me, but I was wrong, because these hit me in the same spot. They're just bigger, you know. Anyway, so I should be wearing the size mediums, but anyway, these were closer to me, so I just put these on, and I have on my brown boots. Okay, brown boots, bright orange shirt, dress, and it like drawstrings on the side, which I think is so cute. So I'm gonna make sure I drawstring it. Let me tie it. I just put my nails on, and I need to remember to lotion my hands. Let me, it's right here. And this part. I usually use my what do you call that stuff? That donut shea butter. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And that's why I be so shiny, y'all, on camera. I love these fleece line tights, y'all. These would be like perfect to wear for like Thanksgiving dinner and stuff. Super comfortable, stretchy, you know. And I do mean super comfortable. You'll have plenty of room for your stomach to grow up in these. All right, always gotta make sure you get them daggone in between the fingers. Yeah, I'm in love with how these like jewels be shining. Ugh. Okay, my food is already ready. It is waiting for me to go and eat it. On my watch. Okay, I need a bracelet. Or two. Should I do two? Alright, and we can just throw on some of my favorite Yara, y'all. I'm feeling sexy, girl, okay? That's how I'm feeling. Yeah, this ran a little, small. And this is a large too, y'all. So, can you imagine if I would have got a size freaking medium? I would have been so mad. Anyway, so this is it. This is the fit. Okay. What up, y'all? What's the motherfucking deal? Can y'all tell I got some new lights? Oh my God, it's so freaking bright. I love the quality. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Cause from what I see, it looks amazing. Oh my God. The lighting is literally perfection. What is this in my head? It is literally perfection. Anyway, so yeah, y'all, I was trying on these little lounge clothes that I got from TikTok shop. But yeah, you get 3 of these in a pack, y'all. I showed y'all these already. Anyway, I just created a video for it. I just love the fact that it has pockets.
pockets. And y'all, instead of walking around in a t-shirt and some sweats, I could be walking around in this. You know what I'm saying? This is cute. And it's like loungy, like, cause I wouldn't wear this anywhere because it's so thin. You know what I'm saying? These are house clothes, in my opinion. House clothes, I said house clothes. Anyway, I have work to do. I have to edit my cooking show as soon as all the clips come in. I don't even know if all the clips are in yet, but anyway, I just finished filming the biggest freaking video, y'all. It was a TikTok shop, a Black Friday haul. And I showed everything that I have right now. And yeah, I got some really cute stuff, y'all. Really cute. But yeah, after this, I'm slowing it up. Like, I'm just gonna work with the stuff that I have because I have so much, like, I don't need anymore. You know what I mean? Like, it don't make no sense for me to get anything else. Like, oh, y'all, did I show y'all this? I think I did. This right here. Girl, bomb stick. I'm wearing this tomorrow. Hopefully my little skirts come in because that's what I bought this for. This little like bubble skirt. Girl. Honey, the way I'm gonna style it is gonna be so freaking cute, and it's gonna be classy, not disgusting. Like when you see people walking around with their butts hanging out of the bubble skirt. Like, what? Who does that? Anyway, they have longer ones, y'all, okay? I literally, girl, hold up. I can wear my jean one. I bet y'all ain't seen a jean bubble skirt yet, honey. Because guess what? Guess where my jean bubble dress comes from, because it's an actual dress. Y'all, I got that thing from Forever 21 at least 10, maybe 15 years ago. I still have it. And I have a green, like, what color green is that? Oh my God, like that light green. I can't remember the name of that green, but anyway, I got that from Forever 21 too, way back in the day. Y'all, it had to be in the 90s or the 2000s, one of them. Anyway, so I have 1, 2 bubble dresses. So what I'm gonna do is like wear like a shirt over the bubble dress, so it'll look like a skirt. That's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. If those bubble skirts that I ordered don't come by tomorrow, I'm gonna wear this with the jean bubble dress. I'm just gonna wear this over it. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. And some boots. Ain't nobody gonna be able to tell me nothing, girl. Okay, and just to remind me that I'm wearing this, maybe I should put her right there. Yeah, so we can see it. But anyway, silicone is what that's called. Silicone. Anyway, y'all, I got these silicone like cake, what is this? What do you call it? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Got silicone little cupcake dillies. I got this right here. I wish it would have came with 2 of these. You know what I'm saying? But I'm definitely using these for to cook Thanksgiving stuff in. This right here, I can imagine like how easy these are to clean. I've never used anything like this. Anyway, loaf pan. Girl, look at it. What the? That's not what we're gonna do. That, let's get the hair out the way. That's not what we're doing. Anyway, so yeah, I can't wait to use these though. Yeah, seem like pretty. Have you ever used silicone cake pans and stuff like that? Let me know in the comments, because I've never even, you know what? No, I've never seen like cake pans, but I have like these Jello shot molds that I bought, y'all, and never freaking used it, because when we used to live in Bryan, I don't know if y'all remember, because y'all came with us when we went trick-or-treating that one time, and these white guys, they were giving out shots in one of those Jello, not Jello. Did I say Jello? In one of those, what do you call it? Oh my God, Jolly Rancher shot glasses with a little shot in there. Anyway, so we got them. We was like, how did y'all do this? Anyway, he told us. I went like next couple of days and got it. Never used it, y'all. So I think I want to do that. You know what I'm saying? Like for like a holiday type of thing. I think I'm gonna do that and put it on my cooking channel. Yeah, I had to buy a bunch of Jolly Ranchers though. I need like a big pack of Jolly Ranchers so I can do it. It's really, really easy, y'all. It's really easy. But oh yeah, I'm gonna do that because you know, I have to start making my food for you know, for my channel for Thanksgiving. So oh, I should have got some greens today. Shoot. Anyway, I'm cooking. I'm not even gonna tell y'all. Let me take it out right now. I gotta go.